Okay guys, I am at Sabio BKK and I'm making my first Pincho.
Good, keeping your arteries clean.
If you guys want to know what a Pincho is, this is exactly what it is. So it's first this is bread, and then there's all these different toppings. And there's Karen, my Pincho buddy, and there's Chef Angela, and there's Apple. Anyway, there's all these like amazing toppings, so you just kind of make your own Pincho, and I'm learning how to make it for the first time while having a most amazing glass of white sangria.
And some almonds.
So I'm starting it with this yuzu paste, and then Karen just knows exactly what she's doing. So I'm following this woman. Well, she may not, but she looks like she knows what she's doing. So I'm following her. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this on pause, and I'm gonna make my first Pincho, and you will see the toppings once I finish it. So this Pincho that I just finished has chorizo picante and a pan pepper on it. And that's my first Pincho. Okay, so my second Pincho is the bread with this chorizo paste. I've got an anchovy on top with a slice of manchego cheese underneath. So let's see. Let's give it a try. So these are my two first time making Pinchos. It's amazing. Oh my god. Yuzu paste with this chorizo picante, the pepper, and what is this again? We're not sure.
What's the leaf apple?
Okay, leaf apple. So I'm going to try this.
The padron pepper, yes.
Yeah, the padron pepper. An interesting taste.
You're proud of your own creation.
I am actually very proud.
It is still. Eat something off of one piece of bread. How are they going to eat that one thing off of that one piece of bread? And then you're going to make that piece small enough to fit in one bite. Not realistic if we're hosting a party at home. Food is too small. Quite realistic is having Pinchos when you're hosting a party at home. And then this is what FauZia has done is completely different, because your bite that you have on your plate, you have the same consistent flavor for every bite. So more like a hamburger or a slider or something.
Okay.
So where you're biting, you're going to have the cheese, you're going to have your bases, the chorizo, and you're going to have the anchovy. Apple has gone an entirely different direction, which I find very, very fascinating.
She made a continuum of flavors.
She made different flavors, so every bite is going to be different. So then if you have the roasted pepper with the chimichurri and the padron pepper, then the next bite you're going to have the anchovy and the roasted pepper and the chimichurri. So it's going to be a completely different thing. Instead of layering the flavors, people are going to have a different experience as they're eating the one piece. I was trying to give them the experience of the sharpness. I don't have another one that's sharp like that.
So what is yours?
No, it's okay.
Well, mine has olive oil, whatever this hot sauce is.
Romesco?
Is that what it is? No.
Romesco, yeah.
Oh.
Apple said it was very tasty.
Yeah,
So-
olive oil, hot sauce,
It's actually
cheese, Romesco. Okay, manchego. I got the two colors of peppers because Apple inspired me, and then this Thai herb. Just
Yeah, whatever.
now you hear a lot of Mandarin.
Okay, this is my third
Never
Pincho.
heard of it.
So I was guided to the bread. There's a cauliflower paste underneath, and I put some parsley underneath here, and then these are anchovies or sardines, and then I've got pickled ginger and an edible flower. And I picked off the leaves, and I sprinkled them on top. So let's just see how this is going to be.
Really bad
So I'm taking a bite of my Pincho.
I always like doing this.
I think it's gonna fall, actually.
And I think one time, 5 years, 6 years ago,
That fish is right next to my nose.
I booked the
Smells really
Airbnb
good.
in Simcha.
I'm just gonna take a
Yeah. So it was like, like that
Some
building is. It's a lot of like
olive oil on
At
it.
the Chungking Mansions.
Yeah, like
And then now we're gonna do-
scammer
Don't say
thing.
there.
Another bite. We got some ginger here coming in as well.
Picture is so good.
Yeah, don't stay there.
Nice,
No.
and-
one bite.
You know, when I arrive and then I get the elevator, and it's like a hunting house, like so many blocks, like a maze, you know. Yeah. And then so I met the old lady,
The
and
fish
she said like
really, truly good. Good job.
my booking was like.
Roasted pepper because
Now,
that's your favorite.
we have made another pincho, and
Interesting the decisions that you make. So
very
now, because that's
different.
your favorite.
So I
which
soaked it
side
with
are you
chili
using
oil
first?
that really like
This side, because I
Help me
always
God,
eat my
chili
favorite
oil.
the last.
I've got chorizo on here, roasted red and yellow pepper. I've got chorizo underneath with
I find
a
it
chimichurri
fascinating,
base.
the little creations
Let's
that
try
you've
this
made.
now.
It's like these like snow-capped mountains, really beautiful, different, unique. And this like
Oh,
2 bites.
and I forgot the manchego cheese. Oh my god, this cheese is to die for. Oh, really, so good.
And I try to do like not too like too wide because you know like this and you always have like this.
So good.
And
I think I'm doing my last pincho, which is a yuzu spread sprinkled with chili oil, like really spicy, double shrimp, one sardine, one sardine, on top of pickled ginger. Oh my god, it's gonna be really good.
combo last meal.
Okay, I think this is gonna be my last pincho. So what I made is what I've already videoed, but I have to get it okay with the chef first. So we're gonna wait and see what she has to say about this. Okay, so this one, wait. So guys, I'm gonna try this one. This is my last one. Let's give it a go. I'm gonna give it a go. Okay, wait, we gotta put this little flour down.
Do you need help?
Okay, I got it.
It's good.
The
Colors are
yuzu.
very pretty. It looks balanced.
You given up?
I've given up on bread. Yeah. Now I'm just going in.
I want to do it where I can bite the
It's
fish
just-
too.
It's quite thick. It's pretty filling, so I'm just kind of going in. Yeah. I've just been kind of dabbling now. And I asked Apple what her last meal would be if she's ever on death row. And she's got quite a good one, so.
Actually, at first, I think about the somtam thing.
Edible
But
flour to go with it.
deep inside, you know.
So good.
If it happened to
So now we're having a competition. This first one is mine. The next one's Karen. The next one is Apple.
Yeah.
And then there's the other two.
Okay.
That are these other two ladies. And let's see which one Chef Angela is gonna pick as the one.
Bite and see that she's upset that I pointed
I
out.
don't even remember what I put in mine anymore because TK took so long.
I like to have two things in one bread.
Like an hour ago. I think we should have made a rubric. Yeah, like appearance, texture, taste.
Shaking a little bit.
Needs to sit down. She's to really experience it. I don't totally remember because it's been a while. I got your friend over there. I got the manteca de chorizo. I've got a anchovy, 2 peppers, yuzu, some shredded manchego, and 3 little white flowers. Everybody has everybody. Yeah.
I see that. I see that. And even with the flower spacing, I'm going to have a bite of the flower in the one bite.
Can't say how it's gonna taste.
Yeah.
Sounds like a flavor explosion.
In which way? In which way?
The gift that keeps on giving is over the top, like crazy.